Roadmap Rebellion, it is here. It has been launched, okay? So time of recording this is August the 19th. I'm in the UK, so it launched middle of the night for me. So here is my first video to let you know you now have access to the only course you're ever going to need. If you're in the online space already and you're looking to realign with something, you're looking for a new challenge, a new fresh way of doing things in 2025 and on beyond that, or if you're a complete beginner and you're looking to get started the right way, the compliant way, okay, and build a solid foundation for you so you can build your business, not somebody else's, then pay attention, because this is the right place to be. This is the only course, in my opinion, you're going to need. And I've got many courses, so I'm not just saying this randomly. I've spent thousands on courses I don't even promote anymore. Roadmap is a game changer. It was for me, and it has been for many people. So let's go back to the original story of Roadmap. Roadmap to Riches is where it all started. It became 2.0, 3.0 with updates. Then it became Roadmap Exclusive when they transitioned from MRR to affiliate style program. Everybody else followed suit, okay? Roadmap have always led the way, and they're doing it again now. This isn't a rebrand. This is a completely new product for 2025. This is Roadmap Rebellion. This is the movement. This is rebellion against all that BS marketing that you see out there. And this is the way we have to change things, because there are, I'm not going to say too much. I'm not going to get myself in trouble, okay? But anyway, this is, for me, 100% what I stand behind. And it's not the only product in my business, because, again, this is not a course to sell a course. This is not buying a course to sell a course. This is buying a course on education to teach you how to do this thing properly, how to build the foundations, how to build your business, not somebody else's. You have to make sure you have the good foundations in place first. A lot of these courses send you straight to the funnels. So people buy courses, they go straight to the funnels, they start promoting before they've even gone through the course themselves, before they've even learned how to build their own business to ensure they are compliant. So they have that sustainable business that's going to give them longevity in this space. Don't just be a one-hit wonder and just buy a course to just resell that product, because if that product goes away, so does your business. You have to build your foundations, right? So yes, I have other services in my business. So for me, Roadmap Rebellion is just another digital asset that I can offer my audience, because for me, it is 100% the only place you need to be to actually build something that's going to give you everything you need. Let me go through this in more detail. And the reason I'm posting this today is because it's still within the pre-sale launch price, okay? So whilst they're building this product, phase one is complete. It's ready to go, and I'll show you in a second. There's going to be phase two, phase three, etc. It's in a community, so we also have weekly support calls. There's also going to be an opportunity to offer additional trainings via webinars and things like that. That'll be added to the community. So this is an exciting movement, and the fact that you can actually get access to this product for $199 is insane. Now, this is the access to the education. Okay, so that price is going to be $399 for the education. If you wanted to resell the Roadmap Rebellion, then you get the resale license. You purchase the license agreement through Roadmap directly. You don't get that through me. All I'm doing here is promoting and offering and introducing you to the education that will change everything for you and lead the way and show you the way. So let's get into my website. I'll leave a link for this below, okay? So go through my website, have a look at it, read this statement here and what to expect, and then go through my bonuses. Now, this is what's going to be the game changer for you, hopefully, that you realize what I'm doing here. It's pretty insane. Now, it's not just, you're not just getting Rebellion from me. If you use that link below and join Rebellion through me, you're going to get my bonuses as well. And what that's going to do is going to differentiate you from everyone else who's been in the space, or I've always done things like this, okay, because it does make you stand out in the crowd. So I'm going to give you my plug and play funnel system. Okay, my funnel system you can have. I'm just going to give you one click to transfer that directly to your free autoresponder system that I'll also give you access to. I've got an ebook here from one of the mentors I've been following. Okay, that's yours. You can use that as your own. It's going to give you 101 hook ideas to actually capture your audience's attention in the best way. So done for your email campaign. I'm giving you that as well. I've pre-written 5 emails there. They're high converting and they can be transferred to your system. Okay, so you're not spending. Listen, this is going to save you days, weeks probably of having to figure this stuff out for yourself. Yes, you might want to change it down the road, but let's get your business up and running, right? So let's get you starting to go through the training, and you haven't got to worry about building your systems and writing emails and creating funnel pages. Use these bonuses to actually leverage my experience and my knowledge just to hit the ground running. That's what I'm giving you basically, isn't it? I'm saving you weeks of having to do this yourself. So I've put together a Rebellion setup checklist. Okay, I've given you my 10K launch guide. Now that is currently aligned with Roadmap exclusive. However, as we build out Roadmap Rebellion, that will be adjusted accordingly and updated at every stage. Now this, obviously, like I've said, pretty much throughout all this is going to differentiate you from everyone else. Making my bonuses your bonuses. Leverage them as you wish. Okay, if you want to resell Rebellion, you can do that, and you can offer bonuses like I'm doing here. You might not want to resell Rebellion. You don't have to. If you want to do that, you just simply purchase the license agreement through Roadmap. If you don't, you can just go through the education and implement the strategies you learn from the education into, I don't know, your brick and mortar business, your current online business, or maybe you want to create digital products around your hobbies or interests, or maybe you just want to resell the Roadmap. Whatever you plan on doing online, you'll figure it out as you go through the training. Don't expect to come into this thinking you know it all, because you don't. Nobody knows it all. The fact that you're even watching this video puts you ahead of everyone else, 99% of people probably. The opportunity is a massive one, especially in 2025, okay? It's just an insane opportunity to actually get your products and services and your message and your voice out to a global audience. So have a look through my website. If you've got any questions, please do reach out to me. I will show you inside the community in a second, and you'll see exactly what the feel of the actual new Roadmap Rebellion looks like. I've added in my website here some frequently asked questions, okay, so you can go through them. I've also added some details about the modules we've currently got access to. So again, you can have a look at that. If you want to get started, you simply click on that button and that will take you to my checkout page. And as you see, the current price is $199. That soon is increasing to $399. Okay, so just if you are someone who's been on the fence or thinking about doing this for a while, just get in at this price, because it's not going to be at this price for much longer. Yes, it's the launch date today. Phase 2 is already in the process of being built, so it won't be long before it jumps to $399. $199 is all you're ever going to have to pay. Once you're in, you're in. Okay, so bear that in mind if you are thinking about this. So let me just show you quickly what the community looks like. So this is the classroom area of Roadmap Rebellion. It is hosted on School. So there's the welcome messages there. Replays, we have a community call every single week, okay, and they're recorded. This is the opportunity you can ask any questions you like about your business or about upcoming events or, I don't know, ideas you may have, okay, because we are going through the rebuild. So they will listen. If there's something that you feel would really benefit you and your business and you'd like it included, great, mention it. If it's not included, then it's not a problem. They can always host special events, webinars, okay, to actually give a particular training on a subject matter of people in the community's choosing. So that is something that can be added here as well. The foundations, so important, okay? I can't stress this enough. So important, and a lot of courses that I've seen, they kind of skip that. People go straight to the funnels. A lot of people who buy courses, they just don't even go through it themselves. Like 5% of people go through the course probably. And some people only go through 5% of the actual course they've purchased. So it's so important to get the foundations of your business right. You might be thinking, yeah, it's boring, Darren. Yeah, okay, it might be boring, but it's so important to do it, because otherwise, if you don't, how do you know you're building a business that's going to give you longevity? It's going to be sustainable. It's going to be compliant. You don't. You just create content, throwing it out there, hoping something's going to stick. You're not building your voice. You're not building your message. You're not building your authentic audience, because how do you know what your goal is for your business if you haven't built the foundations yet? If you haven't gone through compliant training, if you haven't decided what your message is going to be, are you just going to be reselling a product of somebody else's? Nothing wrong with that. That's what I'm doing right here. but it's not my only product. This is a digital asset that I have under the umbrella of my business because I have other services in my business. And you've just got to decide what is right for you. And again, it'll all piece together as you go through the training. Okay. So these areas here, these modules here are so important when considering how you're going to start a business, whether it's online or not. I've been in business over 20 years. These are vital. And if you're not doing these first, you're winging it. Okay, you're just hoping for the best and hoping something's going to stick. Don't be one of those people. Okay, so here's the website again. Quick recap on my bonuses for you, just so you know exactly what you're getting from me. So you're not just getting Roadmap Rebellion for $199. You're getting my bonuses here. And what I would say is if you join me via the link below within 24 hours of watching this video, I'm also going to throw in a one-to-one Zoom call that you can use whenever you wish. Okay, 30-minute Zoom call with me just to help you out with whatever questions you might have. Maybe you've got a tech issue, I could help figure it out for you. So that's there for you as well. So grab all of the bonuses, grab all of Rebellion, and I really hope that I'm going to be able to see you inside very soon. If you do take action, let me know. Reach out to me in the community or drop me an email. Let me know you've purchased and we can engage and I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.